Hello everyone. So we moved to our final resort and we're now at the St. Regis. I'm like speechless. There are just no words. First of all, this is behind me. Oh my God. And they upgraded us to a Deluxe Overwater bungalow for the entirety of our stay. I actually had it split because I was using points, strictly points for one room, which was a garden villa, and then points and cash for another. And because of the booking calendar, I had to do it that way, and they just upgraded us, and then they said we can stay for the whole time. So I'm going to give you a room tour. First of all, they give you your own bikes. So we each have a his and hers bicycle to keep throughout our stay and navigate the property because it's actually quite large. And let's see the room. There's Byron. We have our own little bottle of hand sanitizer. Here is our master. Bathroom. This is the shower. Soaking tub. Closet. And it's difficult to understand actually just how big this bathroom is, but it's quite large. The master again. All the amenities you could want. That view. And then separate living area, desk, couch, another TV. There's a beer waiting for me, and bottle of Biacart, champagne, fruit, macaroons, a lovely letter. Check this out. Oh my God. Wow. Let's see what Byron's doing. He's probably playing back his own stories because he thinks they're hilarious. Were you playing back your own stories?
I'm an influencer.
Oh my God, look at this. Wow. And from here we have a totally different view of Otomanu. Oh wait, not this way. Over here.
Fucking Instagram